Welcome to this quick guide on changing your Telegram group from private to public on the PC app with the latest update. If you've ever wondered how to make your group discoverable and easy to join, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps in a simple, straightforward way so you can do this in just a few moments. First, open the Telegram application on your PC. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns or administers the group you want to modify. Locate the group in your chats and click on it to open the chat window. Next, look to the top of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This opens a menu with several administrative options. From here, select Manage Group to access the group's settings and controls. In this section, you'll find options related to the group's fundamentals, including its type and permissions. Within the Manage Group area, find and choose Group Type. Here you'll see the current setting for the group, which might be private if you haven't updated it yet. You want to switch this to public so that anyone can find and join the group via a link. After selecting public, you'll be prompted to enter the group link. This is an important step because the link will become the gateway for new members to join. Create a unique and memorable link that clearly represents your group's purpose. Avoid overly long strings and consider including a keyword that describes the topic or community. Finally, save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to confirm the switch from private to public. Telegram will apply the new public status and update the group's presence accordingly. Once saved, your group will be accessible to anyone who has the link, and it may also appear in public discovery options depending on Telegram's current features. A quick tip: after making the group public, review the group description and rules to ensure newcomers understand the purpose and guidelines. You might also want to pin an introductory post or welcome message so new members know where to start. That's it. Your Telegram group on PC is now public and ready to grow.